All aboard. Train station will be leaving in approximately 1 minute.
Ah, yay! Oh, yay! I get to go on a bike ride. I get to go. I get to go. Oh, do the moonwalk. Do the moonwalk. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, kid. This is the 75th time you rode this.
I don't care. I think it's so much fun.
Oh, it's $15 each ride. Where do you keep coming up with the money?
I'll never tell.
Oh my god. Please, kill me on this ride. Please, just do it.
You don't want to die. You'll miss me.
The conductor's warning that we're ready to leave the station.
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy!
Kid, shut the hell up!
Oh, okay.
And now we are ready and we are off. As you can see on the right hand side, there is a guitar, which significates that the kid must try and get ladies with the guitar, and it don't work.
What a douche!
And he continues on to the ladder, which we will roll up into to get to the very tippy top of the room.
Oh boy! Oh, that's my favorite part.
Oh god, I know! For the 75th time! As we continue up at a fast pace, you can see the guitar, and we are getting closer to the bed.
Oh my! This is way high up. I don't like this. Are we gonna die?
Oh god, I really hope so.
I'm going to heaven.
I don't think so, kid.
Okay.
And now you can see on the left hand side, there is a Snuggie. Yeah, not much to say about that. Continue on, we are in the rampage of some random teenage kid, I guess, who likes SpongeBob and a freaking Jacob poster. Nothing much to say about that. Alright, here we go. Continue on. And here's some sunglasses. Very nice. Nice. He's a tool. And here you can see a Krispy Kreme donut hat, which significates he is indeed fat, ladies and gentlemen. And underneath of it is a Dr. Seuss tree top from one of his books.
Yay, Dr. Seuss. Hey, what rhymes with hat?
Shut the hell up.
Oh, that don't rhyme.
Oh, Jesus. Just go down.
No, wait, put your hands up, asshole. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh, woo, yeah. Woo. Here we go, right corner. What's that? Oh my. I don't know if I like this or not.
Shut up, kid. Okay. We are in the bedroom of the other part. We'll go down the railing and then go down.
Oh boy! Here we go! Hands up, asshole! Yay! Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh, I'm gonna throw up!
Oh god, kid, you just threw up all over me.
I'm sorry. It's so much.